Hello, welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I am getting ready to head out the door to go to Chicago, but I just needed to sit down real quick and film this tiny haul because there's actually something in here that I need to take with me, but this is going to be a tiny Lush haul. I don't know if I will, since it is so small, I don't know if I'll put it up as a separate video or if I will tack it on to a larger haul that is coming next month after I get back. But for right now, I just needed to sit down and record this so I could get the thing out of here that I need. I don't know if you guys can notice in the background, but I have one of my friends playing back there. That's Just Gus. Hi, Just Gus. I do want to mention briefly that how important watch time is for us smaller YouTubers. You know, I mean, you can see that she's playing in the background. I'm not really watching her because I have to get things done, but I'm giving her watch time. And that's really important for all of us smaller YouTubers that are trying to get up there, that are trying to, you know, get monetized, that are trying to, especially for the unboxing channels and the makeup channels, like we spend so much money on these boxes and we spend so much money on makeup that being able to be monetized would be super helpful for all of us. So I just want to stress how important watch time is. If you click on the video, at least let it play all the way through. But that's my YouTube PSA for today. All right, let's get into this because I really got to get on the road. I don't think, oh no, I have. I've gotten things shipped from Lush before, nothing this small. Usually before winter hits, I'll go in and order like a bunch of bath bombs. Okay, so this is gonna be a mess. There's a bunch of little packing peanuts in there that I have to dig through. So when we were in Vegas, I needed honey trap really bad. And we ended up going to like 3 different Lushes on the Vegas Strip, and not a single one of them had honey trap. I'm like, so the last one I went to, they gave me a nice sample size of honey trap. That way it could get me through the rest of my vacation, and it's lasted me all the way up until now. But as you can see, last night I completely finished it out. So I really needed that because this is my holy grail lip mask at night. I won't wear anything else on my lips. For a while I did wear that Bite Beauty Agave lip mask. Loved it for the longest time, but then all of a sudden I acquired an allergy to something in it. I'm not sure what happened. I mean, I didn't go through, like, it didn't take me a long time to go through the agave masks. So it's not like it sat around and got spoiled or anything. I don't know if I got a bad batch to begin with or if I just acquired an allergy, but one day I started putting them on my lips and my lips just started swelling up real big, peeling and cracking. But I kept wearing it. I had no idea what it was. I had actually went to the doctor and they told me, this was so long ago, I don't remember what it was, but it was some sort of they called it like a lip infection or something. So I had to put this stuff on my lips, and they told me at that time to just throw all of my lip products out that I had regularly been using. And so I did. So I went and I bought another thing of the agave lip mask after my lips had healed, and there it went again. And I know this is a tangent, I'm sorry, but just to wrap up real quick, there had to have been something that I was allergic to in that. And it must have been an allergy that just came on because I had probably used the agave lip mask for probably a good 6 months before this had happened to me. So anyway, Honey Trap from Lush is my holy grail lip mask. So there it is, Honey Trap. And it just smells like a nice honeyish, sugary lip balm if you have never used agave lip or now my brain is stuck on that. If you've never used Honey Trap before, and Lush is always really good about putting dates on the bottom, when it was made, when you should toss it, that kind of stuff. And then I figured while I was on there, I would buy a few more things. Let's see, I'm gonna unfold this so I can remember the name. Oh, so I got the D-Fluff shaving soap. That smells pretty good. I actually had never used this before, but I was told that it was really close to the shave butter from the Dollar Shave Club. So I wanted to give that a try. I'll have to read to make sure it doesn't need refrigerated or anything. But then the last thing I got was, just to clarify, jelly face mask. And so it looks like this. And of course, you know, it has the made by and the dates on the bottom. And then it looks like that on the inside. Now, I've never, ooh, that's kind of cool. I've never used one of these face masks before. It doesn't really smell like anything. I thought that it would, but it doesn't smell like anything. So, and I'll have to read to see if that needs to be refrigerated. It says how to use. Pinch off some jelly, work between dry hands to form a paste, and apply on the skin. Leave on for 10 minutes and then rinse off. It does not say anything about needing to be refrigerated, so that's cool. Maybe I'll just stick it in the refrigerator just to be on the safe side, because I'm not going to get a chance to use it until we get back from Chicago. But that is my tiny Lush haul. I'm sorry I did rant a little bit about the Bite Agave lip mask, but or ramble, not rant. It wasn't really a rant, it was a ramble. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye. Take two. So, it's been a few weeks. This is part 2 of a haul, and this part is, you can't see it, but it's Ulta. Okay, so digging into this. Also, real quick, since this wasn't in my first part, or at least I don't remember if it was because I haven't seen it for a couple of weeks, I do have a giveaway in the process. That is linked down below, and if you notice now, I have an intro and an outro. My husband did those for me. That is kind of what he does for a living, so if you are a YouTuber and are interested in a good intro and an outro, his information will be down below. He also, and I mean, he can do a wide range of things. He also did the Not So Evil Stepmother's new intro, and I think he did a fabulous job on that. And if I am not mistaken, he is currently working on an intro and an outro for Just Anne. So let's get into Ulta. So I open it up and this is what I see. So some of this stuff is for the current giveaway that is coming up. I'm not going to tell you what is and what isn't. I'm just going to start pulling things out. So the first thing I have is it's a 2-pack of Neutrogena makeup wipes or makeup remover wipes. Neutrogena is one of my go-to products. As you guys know, or at least you should know, you know, I use Neutrogena foundation. It's good for sensitive skin, so the wipes are also good for sensitive skin, and I needed some new ones. The next thing I am pulling out is this Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. And let's see, so that looks like that. And I actually have quite a few of these hanging out over on my vanity, so I will probably just toss this in one of the giveaways. I think it is a good eye primer. The next thing I am pulling out is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Mink, in the color Mink. Ooh, that is way too dark. This must have also been just a free item. So I will set that to the side, and when I pull the winners of the boxes for the 1K giveaway, I will ask them a couple of questions, and one of them will be skin tone. And if either of the two winners has a skin tone like this, I will just go ahead and throw that in their giveaway box, just so it doesn't go to waste, because Anastasia is a really good brand. So the next thing I am pulling out here is the Soul palette from ColourPop, and I will open this up and show it to you, but I am not going to swatch it. I'm not going to swatch anything in this haul, just because I don't want to give away what is in my giveaway. Ha ha ha. But I will show it to you. So those are the pretty colors in this palette. I think that those are really pretty. I really like that center color. That center color is called Motel, and then this color right here is called New Digs. So I think that those are really ooh. Oh, this orange one down here, that is called Unwind. It's not really translating on the screen, but that is a really, really pretty orange. Oh, and that's not even orange, that's pink. Wow, that's really translating different from screen to like in person. It's I think it's way prettier in person than it is on the screen here. Like, this is a really pretty shimmery color. This is also a shimmery color, and it kind of looks matte on the screen to me. I don't know. But there is that one. The next thing I am pulling out is the Mar ColourPop palette. That's really pretty. Ooh. And that is what that looks like. That is really pretty. This color up here is called My Way. That translates much prettier in person than it does. And then this one down here is called El Rey. That's really pretty. And that center one is Gridlock. Those are super pretty. I like those a lot. That's really nice. The next thing I am pulling out is the NYX Off Tropic palette. And this did not come in a box, which I find is a little odd, but that is a really pretty, those are really pretty colors. I'm not going to take the plastic off. I hope you guys understand, because like I said, I do not want to give away what is going in the giveaway and what I am keeping at this time. But I think this orange is really pretty. Does it have a name? I do not see any names on these. I'm not seeing any names on these. Okay. The Lorac Neon Lights palette. Uh-oh. So there is eyeshadow dust all over this. I'm really hoping that nothing is broken in here. Oh, it's broken. Damn it. Okay, so I can't hold it totally upright because this color is destroyed and this color over here is also destroyed. So I am going to have to contact Ulta and get a refund and a new one sent to me, because that's really sad. Those are really pretty colors too, but those two colors are completely destroyed, so I'm going to have to get a new one. Ugh, what a mess. That sucks. Okay, moving on. The next thing, this was also a free item. It's nothing spectacular. It's just a little bag that looks like lips. So that is cute. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Got my glitter all over my hands from the Lorac palette. So this is what the palette looks like, and so pretty. Okay, so the plastic just kind of slides right off, but there is that palette. That is absolutely fabulous. Oh, I am loving that. Absolutely beautiful. Just stunning. So I will tell you, I bought this one for myself because, well, I collect ABH palettes and this needed to be in my collection. So I will come back at a later time or a later video and swatch this for you guys. Super excited. And that is all for this Ulta haul. I hope you enjoyed it, aside from my smashed palette. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.